Now let us solve some examples to make the rules for conversion more clear. So let us see examples. The first statement is all actors are singers, and the second statement is some singers are dancers. This is the A-type statement and this is the I-type statement. Now, as discussed earlier also, we must see that the predicate of the first subject must be the second statement subject. So this will be cancelled and all actors are dancers. So let us see that in the conclusion whether it is given or not. All actors are dancers. No, it is not given. Here it is given all singers are actors. That is the reverse of all actors are singers. But according to the rule for conversion, A-type statement cannot be converted into A-type statement. So this is wrong. Now the second conclusion is some actors are singer. So here all actors are singers is given. So some actors are singer. A-type statement can be converted into I-type statement, as we have discussed now also. So this is the correct conclusion. Now the third conclusion is some singers are actors. I-type statement can also be converted into I-type of statement. So this is also the correct one. Now let us see the second example. The statement is some bus are cars, and the second statement is no car is a truck. So this is the I-type statement and this is the E-type statement. So we must see that here the predicate is here the subject. So this will be cancelled and I plus is, as we have discussed earlier, O. So we must see that whether it is given or not. Some bus are not truck. No, it is not given. So this will not be the conclusion. Now in the conclusion we must see what is given. No truck is a car. No car is a truck is given, and we know according to the rules for conversion, E-type statement can be converted into E-type statement. So this is the correct conclusion. Now the second conclusion is some trucks are car. So some trucks are car. It cannot be the conclusion because on adding this is not, we are not reaching this conclusion. So this is the wrong one. And third one is some cars are not truck. According to the rules of conversion, E type of statement can also be converted into O asterisk type of statement. So this is the E type of statement, that is no car is a truck. So it will be converted into O asterisk type of statement, and then we will get some cars are not trucks. So this is the correct one. That means A and C are correct conclusion. So this was all about conversion of statement in syllogism. For watching more videos, please subscribe our channel MFP, that is Moving Frame Productions. Thank you.